What's going on, folks? How y'all doing today? Today I got some sleepers for you. I think y'all should, if you cannot get any NMDs, you definitely should pick up a pair of these. I don't know why they are. I think they're sitting. I'm not for sure, but I got a pair. The way it goes, and I have not seen them in the stores here. And they are some Evoknit. Ignite Evoknit by Puma. I got the burnt olive forest night black pair. I'll show y'all what they look like real soon. Give me a second, because I took them one for the first time. Today. Anyway. This is the bottom of the shoe. Bottom of the shoe. Good traction. Really good traction. I tell you. May not fall in these. Good traction. I live in the Midwest, so traction is important when you're going on them stoves, on the snow and ice. Anyway, here are the Evoknit. See those? See those? Cold. The Puma. Look at the little Puma right there. Almost missed it. Little sock. Top liner. Folks sleeping on these. Puma on the back. These should have brung Puma back. Right here. I mean, these is cold. These are cold. You see. Okay. Cannot. This is like a strap that you cannot necessarily tighten. I don't think. It just has this strap goes here, moves there. Cannot take it off. So let y'all know you cannot take this strap off right here. Does not come off. If it did, that would be neat. If you could change out straps. Say if you wanted to put a black strap on here, be neat, I guess, or a different color. Different color, that'd probably be pretty neat. They did that with the next version, but they didn't do it with this one, so oh well. What the shoe is, like I said, it's olive and black. Black bottom, and the rest of the shoes just different shades of olive. I'm gonna try them on real quick. Again, let y'all see that on foot. They're so light. I mean, they ain't even feel like in these. It's pretty close. Pretty close to feeling. I mean, if you do not have any NMDs, you can't get your hands on a pair colorway you like, get these. If you want comfort, and I think they look good too, but you be the judge. You be the judge. So hold up. Get y'all that good. That good on foot. Sleepers. Telling you. Make sure y'all subscribe. Comment. Let me know what you think about these right here. Hit that thumbs up. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. That's off now. Like I said, I wore them today, and they felt good. They felt real good to walk in, real comfortable. We had snow, and I mean, wasn't out there too long, but It wasn't cold though. It wasn't too cold for the time I was out there. No more than like 3 to 5 minutes. You know, at a time. I was walking in the building. So probably less than that. Probably less time than that, but yeah. They look really good on foot. To me. Some good sweats. As y'all see, I like my joggers. But yeah, though. If you see these in your store, try them out. You know, try on a pair at least. Try them on. You know, see how they look on you. See how they look on you. And make sure to subscribe to me. Hit that thumbs up button. Alright now.